I feel quite nervous, but I'm quite determined to get it. So hopefully I'll manage to hit the target.
Well, you seem to be in capable hands. Let's go.
So I'm just going to load this for you.
पहले मैं आई थी अपनी बेटी के लिए, तो फिर साथ ही मैंने भी शुरू कर दी। तो हम दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ इस तरह ना जैसे कंपटीशन करते थे, इस तरह कर रहे थे। तो मैंने देखा कि इंटरेस्ट ज़्यादा है और ज़रूरत भी है, तो फिर मैं क्रेसेंट आर्चर्स के साथ ज्वाइन होगी क्लब के साथ। और फिर उन्होंने मुझे ट्रेन किया, इंस्ट्रक्टर बनाया, और अभी मैं भी कोचिंग करती हूँ और मेरी बेटी आती है, वो भी इंजॉय करती है, तो बहुत ही अच्छा है।
I'm here at Crescent Archers in the Acres, and I thought I'd see what all the fuss is about. Should we give it a go?
Yes, okay.
We have both female-only sessions and we have a mixed session. As you've seen, we're quite a diverse club, so we have female-only coaches. Female sessions are very popular. Archery, when I was a bit younger, it wasn't as accessible. So my mission is to make archery accessible to everybody, especially I think in this day and age. It's very important for young girls and females to be active. And this is a Sunnah sport, so we know that the benefits of doing a Sunnah sport or anything in Sunnah brings so much blessings and barakah, and it's great for well-being, so both physical and mental well-being. What we're looking for is to form new relationships with organisations and local businesses to support us, because for us that's the key thing. It's sustainability. We want to ensure that we can offer these activities on a weekly basis. We will be looking at competitions. We do Crescent Archers does in-house competitions. What we want to do is expand on that, so recognise the talent and really push the talent further to compete nationally.
I'm no Katniss Everdeen, but I found it to be a really enjoyable experience, so I'm sure I'll be back here again soon.